Next case on the court's trial docket is cause number 331042, case of style of state of Texas versus Leo Randall Jr. Court is in session and cause number 331042, case of style of state of Texas versus Leo Randall Jr. Mr. Randall, is that your full name?
Yes.
How you doing, Mr. Randall? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Randall, you're here represented by your attorney Thomas Roebuck. Attorney Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thank you for asking.
And state is represented in this case by Attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Roebuck, what is your announcement in Mr. Randall's case
We're ready.
and state?
Stay ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Just have a seat. We'll give y'all a number. Next case is cause number 329214, case of style of state of Texas versus Kevin J. Lumback. Good morning. Court is in session and clause number 329214, case of style of state of Texas versus Kevin J. Lumback or Kevin Jermaine Lumback.
Yes.
Mr. Lumback, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Lumback?
How you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Lumback, you're here represented by your attorney Marva Provo. Attorney Provo, again, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
And Ms. Provo, what is your announcement in Mr. Lumback's case?
Well, we're asking, we may be able to work this case out. I have given another offer this morning on this case.
Okay, so I just put, you want me to put it on hold?
Yeah, just put on, could we reset the case and put on?
Well, I mean, this case is on the trial docket. I mean, we don't just reset. Normally you have to follow motion for continuance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just put it on hold.
Okay, we'll put it on hold.
Maybe
Yes, y'all may be excused. Just have a seat. That's all from me. Next case is cause number 331224, case of style of state of Texas versus Tanya Nutter. Mr. Bailey, could you please get Ms. Nutter?
Put your purse on the table.
This is cause number 331224, case of style of state of Texas versus Tanya Nutter. Ms. Nutter, is that your full name?
Tanya Gisela Nutter Gonzalez.
Okay. How are you doing?
Fine.
You doing fine? That's good. Now, you're here represented by your attorney Wright Kimbler. Attorney Kimbler, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
And Attorney Kimbler, what is your announcement in Ms. Nutter's case?
Ready.
State?
Thanks for it, Your Honor.
Okay, just have a seat and we give y'all a trial order. I guess Charles Rojas case, Ollie Field that's gonna be a plea. Do we know? Get Mr. Rojas
Not sure.
and get Mr. Fields, Ollie Fields.
Just Fields here.
Yeah, he's here. He might be outside talking to him. If it's a plea, just let us know. Okay, okay, the court. Let's see. Mr. Chris Gonzalez, you take your mic off of mute. Oh, Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes.
Okay, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gonzalez, you represented by Attorney Dustin Galmore. He has
Yes,
not,
sir.
he's not here yet. So once he arrives, we'll call your case.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, and Mr. Robert Goff, you'll also.
That's the count one.
Galmore is not here, so when he gets here, we'll call your case.
Yes, sir.
All right, put your mic back on mute. Thank you. And Mr., you have to take,
Okay.
let's see, Mr., let's see. He has Gordon, huh? Cedric Gordon. Won't you call the name? Mr. Vasquez?
Yes.
You represent Cedric Gordon.
Judge, I had no contact with Mr. Gordon. Last setting, he was in the Calcasieu Parish Jail. Haven't heard from him, none of the numbers.
Do we know if he's still there or not?
He's not in jail, and he doesn't show on their roster.
Calcasieu? Okay, okay. So this is cause number 329. Well, what we do, we'll give him, wait a few minutes before we'll recall the case.
Okay, he's,
Okay.
I don't have a bondsman for him.
Yeah, out of county, yeah. He has an out of county bondsman. No, yeah. Yeah, he has an out of county bondsman.
And there's no, well, I'll talk to the
Prosecutor, okay.
about the
We just, okay, give you time to talk to the prosecutor. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session, 2 cases. They are cause number 328-955, cause number 328-957. Both cases are styled with State of Texas versus the Terrell J. Chapman. Mr. Chapman, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Chapman? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Chapman. You're here represented by your attorney, Marvin Lewis. Attorney Lewis, how are you doing?
Doing all right, Judge. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. State, you have an announcement in this case?
Yes, John, Your Honor, we're ready, but we need to reset this one trial setting. I think we have a resolution that'll be done by the next one, trial setting. That's okay.
Okay, you say, I mean, what's the resolution?
Well, it's gonna be a plea, a JP reduction to a plea that'll take care of both cases, but I don't think at this time we have to get the JP to counsel to know who to pay it. So that way we
Okay.
can get it within.
But do y'all know how much it is that he has to pay?
It's just gonna be a $500 fine at the JP with the dismissal of the UC.
Okay, now let me ask you, sir, how much time would he need? Because I could reset it to give him the time to pay the money. Okay, so how much time do we need to come up with? Because it's probably gonna be about like $600. I'm just saying with the court cost somewhere about $100 in JP.
Okay,
So-
let me talk with him. real quick,
Okay.
Judge, and we can get that information to you so we can get the date.
Okay, so whatever much time y'all need, we'll reset the case to give him time to get it so he can pay the JP fine.
Okay,
All right,
all right, thank you.
all right. Okay, court is back in session and calls numbers 328-955 and calls number 328-957. Both cases style State of Texas versus DeTero J. Chapman.
Yes, I've spoken with Mr. Chapman, and he can have that taken care of within 30 days.
30 days? Okay, give us a reset date, March 27th. Okay, Mr. Chapman, your cases will be reset to March 27th of 2023 to give you an opportunity to pay the JP fine. Your attorney, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Lewis, I think these are the only cases you have. You'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
You too.
All right. Okay. Y'all ready to make an announcement on this?
Let me talk to this. property.
Okay, I'll put it on
See if I
hold.
can work this.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Goff, your attorney, is in a court down the hall. When he gets here, we'll call your case.
Sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.